Alright. NET-113, Chapter 8, talking about networks. So it's going to cross over with networking class. So what we did today, I wrote, we had these three at the top, and then we talked about the OSI model. And this is talked about in Chapter 8 of the book. Listed these three, and then we said the browser, and we gave some protocols it uses. We talked about email, some protocols it uses. We talked about PuTTY, and a couple different protocols it can use depending on whether you're going secured or not secured. We mentioned a transport layer, and then we listed the rest of the layers and didn't say much else about them. We did this network, and let me highlight a couple things. The students did a nice job. We've got some LANs, local area networks, configured here. I'm not sure exactly how far they got. Okay, and that was our goal. Our goal was to get this to ping that interface. We have, I'll use a different color. Then we have these interfaces. That are hooked to the router, and the students configured those using an IP address for those networks. Okay, and then they configured these interfaces. Now they may not have gotten those done, but we'll finish those up on Friday. One thing I didn't mention that we'll have to add, we have to add a clock rate to an interface that has the data communications equipment in, so we need a clock rate there, and you do it on the interface. So you configure the interface, give it an IP address, and then you can also give it a clock rate, and we got to do it there. And so anywhere there's a DCE, you got to put that clock rate on. So it'd be that one and that one. All right. Then we hooked up the rest of this, but we didn't get very far in configuring that. We might have gotten close. Some of them might have gotten close to doing that. And so we'll finish that Friday. The students set up these addresses, and then we configured them here on the board. Looks a little messy here, but we'll make another diagram and clear it up a little bit in terms of this network. Once we get this network configured, then we want to use it, and we'll use it again on Tuesday to study some more about networks, about IP addressing and so forth, and about connecting out to the internet and so forth. Alright, so we also looked at the network address translations again in this router that's connected out to our multi-layered switch, which is connected out to the internet. We reviewed that public address. Okay. Oh, and one other thing we did take the pretest for Chapter 8. Okay. And this chapter, we're going to make sure the labs are done individually. All right. Yeah, we talked about, took this address, compared it to Aaron, and Aaron showed that who our ISP was, and that address belonged to NIACC. That's it for today.